Hi guys and welcome to my kitchen. Hi coffee lovers, my name is Richard and I make coffee videos at home using domestic equipment, showing you how to get the very best out of your equipment at home and make amazing coffee. So today we have made the absolutely amazing Terry's chocolate orange mocha frappe. It's got some nice pieces of chocolate orange there. You have to excuse the cream, it's kind of melted a bit because I made it a moment ago, but there we go. If you want to make one of these, watch this video right now. We're going to get straight into it. We need espresso because it is a mocha frappe, chocolate powder, frappe powder, milk, ice. That's all it takes. Let's get it together and we can get straight into the pour. So 160 ml of milk. I'm using whole milk. We're going to use a double espresso shot. I'm going to use frappe powder. So I've got like a tablespoon, I think, roughly, and then we're going to keep 2 pieces aside for dressing and the rest, Terry's chocolate orange, goes straight in. Ice straight in, so I'm using this glass because it seems to be the right amount of ice, so around about 16 ounces of ice is absolutely perfect. And then chocolate powder, so I'm going to use a Galaxy chocolate powder, but you can use Cadbury's or any chocolate powder that you like, and the amount that you put in really is down to flavour and colour. So I'm going to put in 2.5. I'll pop the lid on. I put a little bit more ice than normal, that's only because the espresso is hot and I don't want the ice to melt too much because of the heat of the espresso. I'm going to knock this on just onto a number 1. I'm going to listen to the ice breaking down, the chocolate breaking down, and when I hear that change in sound, then I know that the frappe is ready. Okay, let's go. Let's not go. Switch it on at the wall. You can hear that really loud sound. See them beautiful colours. Sounds right to me. Let's give it a swirl round. See if we can mix in those bits on the side of the jug. I'm just going to now pulse it. And I can see there that it's really mixed in well. There's no big lumps of ice because the frappe is all about smoothness. It's all about making that beautiful frappe textures that we know and love. Okay, the favourite part of a frappe build is the pour and the creaming on top, so let's have a go. So we're going to pour it, but we're going to make sure that we leave enough room at the top for some cream. You can see it's a really, really good consistency. Perfect. There, I think we'll leave it there. If you're putting a lid on this and you wanted to use it as a travel mug, then you'd need to come down further. You wouldn't be able to put as much frappe mixture in there. And the cream, so the creamer that we've got is just one from Amazon, and I'm using a dairy-free cream because I like the colour of it better than I like dairy. I'm just making a swirl there. There we go. Perfectly balanced. I'm going to pop in 1 and 2 and then some powder on top just to give it that beautiful authentic look. And there we go. I love the colour of that. I mean, what you can do as well is you could add some chocolate sauce around. And the only thing to do is taste test. And who wouldn't want to taste test this? And so easy. I mean, you saw how easy it was, how great it looks, how it would look with the extra chocolate around the outside of the glass. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, you can taste the chocolate orange. It tastes really authentic because it's the proper stuff. It's not an orange syrup. You can taste the coffee, so you got that mocha frappe flavouring to it. You've got obviously the ice, the temperature, you have the cream on top. Absolutely lovely. What an amazing Christmas drink. We're into Christmas time already in coffee shops. Whether you've noticed that over the past few days already, they're starting, before Halloween appears, they're starting to push Christmas campaign. One of them is a Terry's chocolate orange that I've seen, hot chocolate. So orange hot chocolate, mint hot chocolate, toffee caramel, toffee nut hot chocolate. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you've made it all through to the end, then I really appreciate it. Please give the video a like and subscribe if you want to see some more. I'm going to bring you some really good branded coffee house Christmas drinks, Christmas campaign drinks. Really easy to make. You can see how easy it was to make that mocha frappe, how easy it was to add the chocolate orange to give it that really authentic taste. Everything that I've got in terms of ingredients that is easily bought from Amazon, I'm going to list into the description, so just hop onto there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time, guys.